Unongelam ka Congress ubadeiru UMP katura usaling e sangma hakasaw tarik unay wing, uloong baka party jong u kaladei lupa ka nongjam na marka election shiteng samay ha Gambegre kalala bantan nadu ya Myntri rangba hadu ki Myntri jong u batlam kinong mikman bakin wan dam bat kro ikipat ba ka constituency ban yok vote dak ba penbit lor ki babun ki jing e ki bakia kendo. Habakran Shakila patai kubor usaling uloong. Ngampat jui ba Myntri rangba unwan yalap shaman la ki jingkhang yeng beriu hai kinu kinu constituency but what hala ka jong ka constituency Henry menta ka kenti ula jungo ha ka jaka ka ba dei ban len menta tang namar ka kurim jong u ula hap ban let shaman la ki tliu yeng ki dong bat kishnong nasngo kemen ba ka nik election kala penhiar dori ki Myntri kata banyo I dala ki jong ki kman ya ki jing shisha ki ba ki pat ba ki ya kendu jing kani ke election shiteng samay ha Gambegre kala ajing ka shisha yaki. Uni UMP uloong ru langi job ni rem ngatharay ngala job ya katma ka Congress kaladap job ya ke election. Pitip balay namar baro ki Myntri ulampang bat baro ki MLA kilalit shaman laki kendong konstrat jong ka constituency barim jonga ka Gambegre kat ba menshwa kim jumudur watang banlet yuk kejat lani bakin kwa hiru. Henry menta kanik election ha Gambegre kelatan lut iki baro. Nang ta pitip kilawan ban kro vote bat pet ya ka jingdon kam jong upat ba.
I have not seen Chief Minister campaigning door to door in any of the constituency, not even in his constituency. But right now he's jumping up to the area where he was supposed not to also. But I'm glad and happy that he could see, through the Gambegre, that what are the area that needed to be projected to. Okay. Now, because of his wife only, he is going door to door and colony to colony and village to village. I'm happy that now, this by-election has pulled down each and every minister, pull them down to the ground to see what are the reality that people are facing. Gambegre election has definitely given them the lesson, whether we win or lose, but I think I have won the battle. Or not returning, but Congress has won the election. You know why? Because all the ministers, speakers and every MLA is going to each and every corner of my own constituency Gambegre, whereas they had never dreamed and even dreamt of going to the colonies where they never never wanted to also. But now see, this Gambegre by-election has pulled them down like anything, and then they are begging for votes. See the importance of people right now. People of Gambegre has won the election, I'm telling you. It's not the Congress, it's not the NPP, it's not the TMC. People of Gambegre has won the election right now. You got my point. Have you ever seen Speaker, Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everybody going to each and every household before? All 50 MLAs, ministers are going down to one constituency and seeing the problem and trying to address the problem of the people. See the power of people. Are we idiotically nonsense to believe that one? Since they are already hand in glove with the BJP right now, right here in the state, and they are hand in glove with the being in the government, whom they think right now they are trying to fool anybody? Tell me, are we nonsense? Not only money, they have already used all the government ministries out there, which I loved it. You got it? I loved it because now people can see and people can feel. When they are strong, they can pull down even the chief minister and the speaker to the ground. Have you not seen my speeches out there? I've told them, I've asked them also, do not vote if you have not seen any development. And in certain areas, I've asked for, apologize them, if I could not reach to certain areas. So I don't beg for vote. You see, I ask them to look at the report cards of each and every year, what I have done, what I have not done actually. If you don't have a progress report, don't go back. Got it? I've given them the progress report. From the day one, there was not even a single developmental. When they are talking about a developmental, they're insulting their own, their own fathers. Chief P.A. Sangma has been the union minister. P.A. Sangma has been the speaker. And then at that time, there were, even the state were under him. His brother-in-law were the ministers at that time, at Malke Sangma, Gopinath. All of them were a minister. So, if the Garo Hills is backward, they should blame their own people. You got my point. 47 years is not a matter of joke. I was not even born at the time. My wave has not impacted whom you are seeing on the ground, day to day, door to door. Will they have gone? Any common sense people will, not believe in their bluff. They have seen, everybody has seen. Why Chief Minister is there 24 hours? Why Speaker is there? Why all the ministers is campaigning in each and every polling station and each and every colony? NPP has felt threatened by the people, not by the Congress. You got my point? By the people. Because if people have not voted for me for the Congress, in this by-election, they would not have been pulled down to their knees. No, I don't have mantra actually. It's the people we ultimately decide. Because God has given us a free will. Okay, even the Prime Minister cannot change the mantra also. You have seen Prime Minister campaigning in Garo Hills, not even a single, seat was, captured by BJP at all. Local, he's a very much local actually. He's from Tura, and then he has been organizing not only from Tura, from all over the Garo Hills actually, and then moreover now since we have got some part of the Tura after the delimitation, he is very much local.